Morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. If you like my research, if you want to donate me, you can support my research. You can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the Nifty. How it has closed on Tuesday. Nifty ended up in the flat negative, 15,740.10, 11.55 points in the negative, 0.07% in the negative. Initially opened around in the positive, but still it has fallen down heavily and came down to 15,680, and low is not matched, so it has opened up a new target which is nothing but the previous low. Sorry, it is not previous low, it is 15,650 odd point. I'll explain you in the Excel sheet. And it has started to recover a bit, but still it has been in the volatile, but it is not moved that much as well. But our software is given a good profit because it has buy put option only on this particular day, because there is no positive target for us, so it has bought only the put option due to the negative target, because yesterday negative target which is 15,670. You have saw my video, means you will understand that particular target is opened for the new downside target. We don't have any kind of positive target even today as well. We have a downside new target which is 15,650 as well. Let's go to the prediction review from our Excel chart. So that is where our prediction is very much unique, but people are coming and going in the YouTube channel because they don't understand, they don't spend time, they want only with the basics, and they want to earn quick money. You need to understand the fundamentals, how to trade in this kind of market. Sometimes in these last 20 days it is a very bust situation in the market, because the points are moving but the option prices are not moving as per the expectation. So people would have lost so much of money in these days, but we play only in the safe manner. The pre-opening was in the positive 15,773.90, which is in the positive level, but our data is clearly indicated the volatile market. So anything comes with the difference of 1 point, we have saw n number of times it is indicating volatile market, but with the positive in the ratio and positive in the weightage. But only the thing is absolute frequency clearly in the negative side. Absolute frequency up to 1.83%, which is 288.26 in the downside. So which is, it has a potential to fall down that much, but still on this particular day it is not able to break the volatile 2, as I spoke about this particular level, because the market having the potential to go in between these levels in the volatile days. This is the kind of a volatile which is flat, and exactly that is what happened. It is not able to break this particular level, 15,650, 15,778, which is well below that particular. So the market oscillated in between and it closed in the flat market. So volatile days, we have 4 kind of volatile, which is trading in between volatile level 1 and volatile level 2. It is a flat market. The extreme volatile which happens from the positive to negative. So from the positive average to negative, which is 150, 160 to 280. So it is an extreme, almost 550 points to 600 points. So that is the extreme volatile. Another kind of volatile which we are having is that bullish volatile. Bullish volatile means it will have the potential to volatile from the positive to volatile 2. So it will go bullish volatile. So it will come down towards to volatile 2, then it will recover once again towards the positive. That is called bullish volatile. Bearish volatile is nothing but it will come down to negative average to volatile 1. This is the bearish volatile. So these are all the 4 volatiles. You must understand how to trade in these kind of days, and it is not going to be easy to trade in between the volatile zone 1 and 2, because yesterday it has a potential from 50 points to 100 points, so total 150 points it has, but still it is not able to break that particular stop loss, which is 15,773. The stop loss will be 10 points. So it is not able to break the particular level. So 15,783.70. So it is matched in the stop loss level I. So there is no new positive side target. But the downside, which is broken, that 15,700. So that is the first target. It has opened, it broken the stop loss. So it has opened up a new target, but it is not fulfilled. Even the yesterday target, which is 15,670, also not fulfilled because of 10 points is pending. So we have a target, which is this target still open, but this is the new target, 15,650.84. So we need to focus on 15,650.84 on the downside today. So the market might once again fall down from the current level towards to that level. Let's go to the what are the calls we given. We don't given much calls on this kind of days, because it is not going to be easy to trade, because the market will cheat so much. So we given only to buy according to each and every clients. Because of these kind of days, better we stay away from the market. That is important message which we given for the small and safe traders. So we don't want to trade on these kind of days. If you not buying both side 10 points, it is very much risky day. So we better stay away from the market for the small traders. So quite sometime we are giving the same kind of information, because the market is not good at present as well. So if anyone wants to buy, they need to invest both minimum 10 points. Our software is also indicated the volatile market, because it is in the bullish and the volatile, but we had the negative target, so it is not going to be easy. But our software picked up the price of 15,650p for 32 rupees in the morning itself, and booked a very good profit today, I mean on Tuesday, because of we had a target which is 15,670.25 in the pending, and morning opened itself, it has shown a target 15,701. So the market will fall down towards at that point of time. It has traded around 15,751. So the 50 points fall down, it will happen. So it has picked in the morning itself, around 9:15 itself. It has bought that particular with a cheap price, because 32 it can't be easy to buy. Soon it went up 42 within fraction of 1 minute. So it has given a profit of somewhere around 800, but it has went up almost double, because it has went high 64 rupees. But still we wanted to trial, because this target has opened, so it started to give some good profit. It has moved from 800 to 1150, and then 1300, and then it moved very good around 1800. It has moved up almost, it has went 2400, but the screenshot we are having up to somewhere 2000 odd point. But we wanted to trial the stop loss, so the new target also opened, which is 15,650.84. So that is the reason the market is not booking the profit. But we are trying to update the version with somewhere around whenever it is reaching 50% to 100%, we are trying to trail the stop loss. So we are updating that. On this particular day, it is not trailed from 100% of, because after reaching 64 it has to trail. But the software we are upgrading, because the target is open, means normally it will not trail. So we are updating with the new method. Even though if the target is not hitting, once the profit sizes goes more than 100%, we are trying to trail the market. So it has trailed and booked the profit somewhere around 1100 yesterday, 47.3. So it has went 64, but still the target is pending, means it won't trail. But we are trying to do the trailing as well, and it came down after booking the profit. The profit size is 47.9%, which is still good, but still the target is pending. And these are all the support and resistance level percentage for Wednesday. So we given well in advance as well. And these are all the data for Wednesday. So Wednesday 50% indicating downside and 25% only positive. Once again the volatile market, so it is not going to be easy to trade in this kind of volatile market. So better stay away from the market, or else you need to take risk, full risk. It will be a full risk, but it might give you a good chance to make huge money. For example, if you're buying both 10 points in the each side, one particular, if it is catching the trending market, then one particular 10 will go to 20, 30, 40, 50, even 100 also. For example, if the trending continues for the negative side around 200, 300 points in this particular day, then you might have the potential to go from the 10 rupees to even 60, 70 today, and then tomorrow it is continuing, and then it will go from 70 to 150, 200, something like that. So you need to keep both options in hand and take full risk. So otherwise you want to book profit each and every now and then that is the safest to play. So as per the data, if anything opens above 70 points, it is indicating the extreme bullish zone. Anything opens below 40 points, it is in the extreme bearish zone. So pre-opening must have to be above this 70.83 or below this 40.92. So according to that, the trending will continue for the extreme bullish and the extreme bearish. So if it is anything opens below that level, then it will be a volatile market once again, what we saw on yesterday. But then later it will have the potential to continue. For example, if anything opens above this level 70, it will tend extremely bullish zone with a stop loss of overall average, which is 15,741 minus 10 points. So 15,731.67 is the extreme bearish stop loss if anything opens above that level. So normally if anything opens below this level, it is extreme bearish market with a stop loss of same, but adding 10 points from that particular level, 15,751.67. this is the extreme bearish stop loss. So if the market pre-market opens in between these two levels, for example these two levels, then it will be according to, if it is flattish kind of volatile, means it will trade in between 70 to 40 points. So 100 point 110 points it will oscillate in the flattish market. If the market opens in between these levels, if the bullish market continues, it might not break this particular level, it will go towards the bullish. This is the one kind of scenario. Another scenario, it will not break the positive side, it will come down. So we need to watch out these two levels, 15,810 and 15,699. these are all the levels. But we have the hint, we got opened 15,650 target yesterday, so we have a good chance to break that lower side volatile too. So the market is having the chances to fall down, even if it is goes up somewhere in the positive direction up to resistance level 1. Normally the resistance level 1, we have the stop loss for the normal bearish market. 15,806.76 is the normal bearish market stop loss. So if this particular level is not breaking, then the market will again having the potential to fall down. So these are all the points you need to know on this particular day. And the par value is also indicating anything below 15,885. if the pre-opening is below that level, the market will activate 91, 92, 93. So which means it might go positive around 25 to even 70 points, but still it has a potential to fall down to 92 to 190 or 300. Up to 300 level is just having the potential to fall down if it is a bearish volatile. So we need to play much more cautiously on this particularly. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.